Welcome. In this tutorial, we learn how to use nested loops in JavaScript to build a simple star pattern. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your understanding of loops. Let's dive in and write the code step by step. Ready? Let's go. The goal is to print a pyramid of stars where each row contains one more star than the previous one. We'll use nested loops to build this pattern. Let's see how to write this in JavaScript. Keep your eyes on how the loops work together. We use an outer loop to handle each row and an inner loop to add the stars. The variable chr holds the stars for each current row. After printing, we reset chr so that the next row starts fresh. This ensures each row builds independently. First, the outer loop decides how many rows to print. Inside the inner loop adds the right number of stars. After each row, we print the result and reset the star string. This creates the pyramid effect. Let's look at the output for each row. Row 1 prints 1 star, row 2 prints 2 stars, and so on. The nested loop structure controls the exact number of stars per row. This shows how each iteration builds on the previous one. Learning to build patterns with loops is a key programming skill. It strengthens your understanding of nested loops and logic. This type of question often shows up in interviews. Keep practicing. These skills open doors in your coding journey. We built a simple yet powerful program using nested loops. Each row star pattern was built and printed step by step. This exercise reinforced key JavaScript concepts for beginners. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.